Hey everyone, did you know that 68% of us that go camping bring pets with us? That is a huge number. In today's episode, I want to show you 3 travel trailers that are perfect for those furry friends of ours. It could be anything from simple things like this little D-ring, or a nice open floor plan like this that has plenty of room for litter boxes and dog beds. Bonus, stick around to the end and I want to talk about one feature we all need to make sure we have for our pets. Number 1 on my list. This is the biggest. We'll go to the smallest at the end. This is number 1, the 2024 Sunset Park Sun Lite LTD 19RK. 19RK standing for 19-foot cabin with a rear kitchen. Okay. Also inside of this, we have a jackknife sofa, perfect for friends, perfect for pets. If you don't want the pets on the furniture, which I totally understand, we have right underneath the eatery bar. This flips down if we want it to, but we have plenty of room right here for kitty litter boxes or dog beds. And also, right underneath here in the fridge area, we have another little section that we can put a narrow little kitty litter box if we wanted to. So just thinking outside the box while we're inside the box, how do we make the most of these small little spots? So I'm looking for nice open floor plans for my pets, and I'm looking for the least amount of stuff for them to get into and scratch on. So as I'm looking around the floors, I'm just paying attention to that. Okay, so this is a 19RK by Sunset Park RV. I'll show you around a little bit more. This LTD line is a beautiful, perfect, budget-friendly camper with unlimited camping involved. This is made by Sunset Park RV. It carries 28 gallons of black and gray water with 26 gallons of fresh water. The width is 7 foot 6 inches. The interior height is 6.5 feet. The exterior height is 9 foot 2 inches. The length is 21 foot 8 inches. Cargo capacity 1,430 pounds. 270 pound hitch weight. And dry weight is 2825. Comes with a 60 by 74 queen size bed up front. Has a wardrobe. The eatery bar that flips down. Ample amounts of room on the floor for floor space. Storage wherever we can put it. Nice big fridge, ran off battery with a freezer section in it. And more. All right, next, number 2 on the list is the Coachman Clipper 162 RBU. RBU standing for rear bathroom with a U-shaped dinette. One big thing about this is just a simple little D-ring on the outside that's perfect to attach our leashes to. Whether it's a dog, a cat, a kid, a bike, a grill, this is perfect to attach things to for security purposes, but great for those pets. Now let's go inside and check out the interior. This one is all about this beautiful open floor plan with that little D-ring on the outside. We just have ample amounts of room in here for us and the furry friends, whether they're jumping up and down on the bed that's right here, or they just have the room when the bed's all up to roam around on the interior. This is another travel trailer, perfect for those pets. And if I were you, I would come up with something like a cool little custom kitty box right there. All right, now let's take a walk into this 162 RBU by Coachman Clipper. This is in their 4K series line, which is 6 single axle floor plans, all under 4,000 pounds, unloaded weight, and 8 foot wide. This thing only weighs 300 and... This camper comes in weighing 3,250 pounds, comes with a 10-foot awning, has 32 gallons of black and gray water with 40 gallons of fresh water.
It's 6.5-foot interior height, 8-foot width, 10-foot height, 19-foot 9 inches long, has a 630 cargo carrying capacity, and a gross weight of 3880. This camper also has a dry hitch weight of 360 pounds. So that holds you to your specs. This is a nice open floor plan with a big beautiful bathroom and that nice Murph bed.
All right, so this is number 3 on the list. This is a brand new ROK12000 by Coachman Clipper. This is just a unique, awesome, lightweight floor plan. It's only 2,100 pounds. It has 2 different beds and a whole bunch of different storage compartments in here that you could either stuff things like dog food, kitty litter boxes, cages, anything that you need. So I just want to show you around this camper so I can show you what I'm talking about, starting with this. So this is our queen size bed right here. It flips right up with these 2 struts, and we have ample amounts of storage underneath. Whether we want to hide some stuff back here, put our shoes in there. Again, put a kitty litter box right down in here. Obviously, it'd be a cat. I don't know. It does go up and down a little bit more than I thought it did. But again, anywhere back here would work too. A big dog would fit back there. A couple dogs. Then we go over here and we have this area that pulls out, so you have a dog bed or a cat bed if you want to, but also the spot around it and underneath it. So right here, plenty of room for us to go camping and not be completely crushed by the pets, and still give them a fair opportunity to have a good time and have the amount of room that they need to survive and thrive too. So
All right, the brand new ROK12000 comes with this outside pet leash D-ring. And let's go over some specs on this 12,000. This camper is 16 foot 1 inches long, 8 foot 4 inches wide, 7 foot 10 inches tall. We can sleep up to 3 to 4 people. The gaucho size is 36 inches by 74 inches. Comes with 235/75 R15 standard trailer tires, load range D. The hitch weight is 225 pounds. Axle weight's 3,500. Unloaded weight's 2,380. Cargo capacity's 1,345.
hey, if you've made it this far, I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for watching the video. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. Every week I have weekly uploads with camper comparisons, camper walkthroughs, and I live in a converted van, so I love to share my adventures and my daily lifestyle. So please keep on coming back. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, did you know that 68% of us campers bring a pet with us to go camping? That is